What's going on, Daily Film? We're back at you again for part 2 of Crown Zenith vs. Lost Origin. My son and a subscriber requested this video, getting part 2 to go for them Garatinas. That full illustration art Garatina coming out of Lost Origin, that gold border Garatina coming out of Crown Zenith. The challenge today is the Lost Origin, so we'll let the Lost Origin go first. First up, open the pack. Hopefully we get it. See what we can get out of these packs. And hopefully something good today. Try to do it the old way. Let's see. There we go. See what we get out of this pack. Somebody want to see me open it that way. I'd rather do it the other way. But hey, got a black code card. Hopefully something good. We're going to do the 4 card trick. 4 to the front. As we got an unknown. Uh-oh. A Cascoon. An Emron, a Litwick, Bronzor, Phalanx, Rhyhorn, to reverse into just a hollow. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and pull all the Lost Origin first and see what it puts on the board first, then get to the Crown Zenith. This pack over here, there we go. Some people wanted to say, you're not opening it. Yes, I am. Opening packs all the time. So if you like the video, hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit that bell, make sure you get every new one. There go the cue card, and leave a like, a comment, yes, subscribe, hit the bell, and share if you will. As we get a Water Energy, Lake Activity, Oregon, Missport Sisters, a Rockruff, Rosella, Litwick, Spinnerack, to Radiant, into a non-hollow. Get this Radiant card sleeved up. If I want to kind of hit, we'll see what it look like. I don't really want to call the Radiant cards a hit right now. Get back to my fast away. There you go. Nice. Code card there. There you go. Go forward to the front here. I am still going after that Aerodactyl. That Aerodactyl V. You know which one I'm talking about. Let's see. Kill Energy. Panic Mask. Carbink. Iscan. Litleo. Tynoma. Slugma, Seedot, Growlithe to reverse Horsey into a Misfortune Sisters rainbow art. That's very nice there. Also needed that one. I'll put that one on top loader here. Get that one right in here, down a little bit. All right. That down. Don't seem like I want to go down right now. Let's see. These top loaders be tight sometimes. Let's see. Gotta sometimes beat it down in there. All right, get back to it later. You see the hit. All right, into the last Lost Origin pack. All right, white cue card. There you go. All right, Leaf Energy, Natron, Swarma, the Bloom, NK, Swarmford, Phalanx, Poliwag, Oddish to reverse into a non-hollow planet. Okay, so that's down. Let's see if I can actually get this card down a little bit more. Looked like it kind of went in sideways there. Let's see what we could do here real fast. Kind of want it to be a little bit lower down so it doesn't damage the top here. Let's see. It's definitely tight in there. Let's see what I felt a little moist here. Let's see. It's the behind the scenes without being cut out. It's another sleeve here. More fresher sleeve. Definitely don't want anything to happen to the card. Alright. See if this one works a little bit better so we can see what we're working with. Alright, there we go. Sometimes those sleeves be tight. Very nice. Nice. Fortune Sisters rainbow art. There you go. And we got a radiant. Okay, there we go. We'll figure that top load out a little bit later. Get into what y'all are here for. The champ of the last battle. The Crown Zenith. See if it can do what it do. But if y'all like that already, hit that like button, man. Make sure you stay subscribed. Make sure you're following and doing all the above. There you go, that cue card there. It's forward to the front also. Alright, nice and tight. As we get a fighting energy. Soul Rock. Lost Vacuum. Lucio. Harley. A Switch. Execute. Love Disc. Emoga. Reverse into a non-hollow. Okay. Get that off. Alright, first one. Crown Zenith gonna have to do a little bit of work here. See if I could crack one of these open. So, there we go. Get that out of there. Side there. Nice cue card. There you go. Forward to the front here. Look at that hit. Trying to get away. I know it's got to be a hit. Let's see. Nice and tight. Fire energy. Yeah, duo. Crushing hammer. Galarian, Mr. Mime. Sunskin. Mybuff. Coughlin. Solid. Reverse Print Champ. To another non-hollow. Alright, Crown Zenith got some work to do, y'all. Hit that like button. See if he can come back. My way of opening is probably way faster. Just for science, we're gonna probably get a little bit better doing it that way. Oh, this one looked like it hit the edge a little bit, but there you go. Hopefully it didn't damage the cards as we go forward to the front. Alright. Got a water energy. A Soul Rock. Lariat. Injury Retrieval. Shink. A Vesta. Barnard. To a nice Absol. Into a nice V. Got a double banger to put us on the board. That is nice there. Get him in the sleeve here. Crown Zenith says it's trying to come and enter the party. Let's get him in a top load. That's going in that personal collection there. That off to the side there. Get this V card here in a sleeve. It'll later on go in the top loader. Just trying to save a little bit of them. There you go. So we're on the board. So here goes the tiebreaker. Can Crown Zenith pull it off, or will we have to go to round 3? Crown Zenith versus Lost Origin. I would love to do it, but let's see if we get that Giratina. That gold border guarantee. My way. Let's go. Cue card for all my lovely subscribers. Gonna go forward to the front as we start off with a V-Star. Is that a good sign? We shall see. Alright. A crushing hammer. Doplex. Hand champ. A switch. Snorunt. Lavesta. A Tangler. That's nice. Revert into a Executor. So it looks like we gotta tie this time, guys, as we got the top 2 cards out of each. Right here and right here. Very nice arts. And we also did get these 2 out of the sets. So looks like we might have to go to a round 3 of these cards. And make sure you hit that like, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit that notification bell so you'll know exactly when the rematch for the 3rd time around will pop up and you'll be in the mix. As you can see, we got the hits. That's what we produced. And till next time, peace, Lady Fam.